Hi, everybody. Johnny Guarco, stock trading coach and mentor here with Sue Curley. Today, we're going to talk about the wheel strategy program and selling options. And if you're interested in a consistent way to make money month after month, I think this is right for you. Sue, how you doing?
Good, good, thanks.
Can you start this off by just telling us a little bit about yourself?
I'm married for 42 years. I help my husband run our little HVAC company. We have two grown sons. They both work for us, so it's a family thing. I'm a dog mom. I'm a horse mom. Let me see. I've been trading since March of 2023. Started with RLT, and I've been doing the wheel strategy since August last year. So.
Awesome, awesome. So, before you started doing the wheel strategy, what do you think was your biggest challenge, and what made you decide to join the wheel strategy program at Real Life Trading?
Hmm. Um, Probably two biggest challenges. Consistent profits. I would make really good profits and then I would lose them and then some.
Hmm.
And the other one was time constraints. I didn't want to be in front of the computer all the time, and I can't be in front of the computer all the time. We run a
Right.
business, and before I was a nurse, working 12-hour days. So,
Wow.
yeah. So.
So, what really made you decide to check out the wheel strategy program?
Oh, sorry, second part of the question.
Yeah,
There was
no
some
problem.
posts I saw of yours on Slack that talking about option sales, and I just looked at the percentages of profitability in those, and then a
Hmm.
couple comments on, like time freedom, like you don't have to be in front of your computer all the time. I was like, ding, there you go.
Yeah, love
Hmm.
it, love it. So, what really surprised you the most after you got into it, started taking classes with me? What really surprised you?
Um, I guess for me, I thought it was going to be complicated, but the simpleness of it, it's a very simple, straightforward strategy, the way you teach it. There's like solid structure. It's like you do it, you rinse, repeat, and actually two things. The other thing is how available you are to all of us, all of your students. Like it's not just you take those 8 classes for the month and we never see you again. Like you're always there, to help us with trade setups. If there's something I don't understand or I forgot or whatever, you're just available like all the time. So I appreciate that.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
What about the creativity? Do you like the creativity of being able to mitigate our
Oh,
risk? And can you
yep.
talk about that real quick?
Yeah, I mean, it is a simple process, but along with that, there's so many different ways that you can go at it, depending on, where the cycle of the market is, or, your risk tolerance. Everybody has a different risk tolerance. It's just like there's a creative part. So there's hundreds of different ways you can, uh, what do you call it? Not
Mitigate
escalate.
risk and
Yeah, mitigate risk or make more profits, do a
yeah,
shorter time frame, do a longer time frame. Uh, it's all there. Yeah.
that's awesome. So what do you think since you started? I know you've been crushing things. What do you think your biggest breakthrough so far since you started taking the classes and been participating in the program?
Um, well, besides 5-digit returns, like several months, I
Yeah,
mean, that's really important. But I think personally, emotionally, mentally, whatever, I think it's my confidence level in my trades
mm,
and peace, which both of those are very important to me. And so, month after month, for the last 10 months, I've just made so much profit and it's been consistent and I know that it works. So when I'm taking a trade, I just I just feel so much more confidence with it and
wow.
I have peace. It's so much uh, less stress level.
I
Yeah,
mean, what more can you ask for, right?
it's
What you talked
beautiful.
about so far.
It's beautiful.
So really last question. Knowing what you know now, what would you tell the version of yourself before you started taking classes? What would you tell yourself now? And the last thing would be just last words of advice for anybody who's looking to build a consistent monthly income, etc.
What would I tell myself knowing what I know now? I would just tell myself, hey, there really is a way to make consistent profits, not be in front of the computer all the time, less stress. I would say go straight to the wheel. Pass, the other strategies that you tried. I know it's different for everybody, but for me, this is my jam. It's all that I do now.
I love
It's
that.
exclusively doing the wheel because it's just so profitable. And what would I tell somebody else? Last words of advice. I would say same thing. If that's the things that you're looking for, if that's what ticks your boxes, like lower stress, consistent profits, um, actually great backup with you and the team that you've created, which is phenomenal. It's like trading with a family, and
Yes.
everybody wants everybody else to, profit even more. Um, I'd say this is the class for you, but with one caveat, you got to go by Johnny's rules if you want to be profitable and you want to protect your account because they're there for a reason and they work. And yeah, come and join us. It's fun.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Want to
Yeah.
keep this kind of short for you guys. If you have any question, there's going to be a link down below to point you to real life trading, and then you can check out the wheel program strategy. We just believe in it.
Yeah.
We're making a consistent monthly income month after month, and we want you guys to come join us. So thanks for checking in with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Bye.